In this lecture, we will be covering the commonly used terms in Tableau, as well as the terms that we'll be using throughout the course. Number 1, sheet. A sheet is a singular chart or map in Tableau. Dashboard are multiple sheets make up a dashboard with interconnectivity between each other. So a sheet is basically one chart, dashboard are multiple sheets. Stories, on the other hand, are multiple sheets and dashboard make up a story. Workbook. A workbook is a Tableau file containing your sheets and dashboards. Measure. These are quantitative fields in your data set that can be aggregated. Examples include sales, quantity, quota, and salary. So anything that can be quantified, added up, subtracted is a measure. Dimensions are qualitative data. So basically these are discrete fields. They are used to slice and dice the data into different categories. Examples include country, gender, student ID, your name. All of these are string fields or qualitative data which cannot be added up. They can be counted, but they cannot be added up like we can with numbers. Filter is used to limit what data is being displayed on the sheet. So we use filters to limit what we're trying to see and show what we need to. Tooltip. Tooltips are text boxes that appear when hovering over a mark on a sheet in order to give more information. Marks control most of the visual elements in the sheet. Using the marks card, you can switch between different chart types. So you can switch between bar, line, symbol, filled map, and so. You can also change the colors and sizes, or add labels, change the level of detail, and edit the tooltips. So these are the commonly used terms in Tableau.